Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking baked salmon head. Let's do it. Now, here are our ingredients. We have our onions, ginger, red and green bell pepper, spring onions or scallion, garlic, chopped tomatoes. We had green hot chili pepper. Of course, we have our salmon head here, which we're gonna marinate a little bit later. We got white pepper salt. We have garlic powder. We got 5 spice Chinese. We got paprika, salt and pepper, olive oil, fish sauce, and chicken bouillon. So let's proceed to cooking. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some spices on the salmon head. So we will put white pepper, okay, all right. Then we're gonna put garlic powder, okay, there you go. Then we're gonna put some paprika, right? Okay. Then we're gonna put Chinese spices, 5 spices, Chinese spices, okay. All right, and we're gonna leave this in the next 10 to 15 minutes. In our hot pan here, we need to put olive oil, and then we're gonna put our ginger. Give it a minute to cook. Now we will add our onions. We're using red onion. Give it another minute to cook it. Now we will add our garlic. Now let's add a little of fish sauce. Okay. Just a teaspoon of fish sauce. All right. Then we're gonna put our chicken bouillon. Okay. Just a teaspoon of fish sauce. All right. Then we're gonna put our we will add our tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Okay. Let's saute this for 2 minutes. Now let's add our red and green bell pepper. Wow, it's beautiful. Our green onions or spring onion, and a little of hot chili. The hot chili is optional. It depends on how you like it to be a little bit spicy, you know. So we'll give this another minute before we stuff this in salmon head. Now let's add a teaspoon of chicken bouillon to taste, and let's give it a good mix. After we stuff this in the salmon head, we will bake the salmon head for 30 to 45 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Our oven is already preheating, so it is ready anytime. So let's give this another minute or so. Let's check our stuffing. Wow, this is good. This is good. So this is ready, and we will stuff this in to the salmon head. Here is our salmon head, and we're gonna put the stuffing. Okay. All right. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay. There we go. The other one. Okay. 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 Let's put the stuffing in the. We gotta put the stuffing too at the around it. Go. And then we will bake this for the next 30 to 45 minutes. Should be done. Now we covered our skillet here. We covered the salmon, and we're gonna stick this into the oven. Here is the finished product. Baked salmon head. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. This recipe is a good source of omega-3. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.